Got a JPE file and wondering if it's the same as JPEG? Yes. These are simply JPEG images with an alternative file extension. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to easily access these JPEG Bitmap image files. I call this the last resort solution for those JPE files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. JPE files are JPEG, bitmap image files using an alternative file extension to the more common JPG and JPEG. They contain photographic images compressed using lossy JPEG compression, which efficiently stores natural images with adjustable quality levels for photography, web graphics, and general image storage. JPE files use the JPEG file interchange format, JFIF, following ISO IEC 1091 specifications with discrete cosine transform compression. The format supports 24-bit color images with progressive or baseline encoding, optional EXIF metadata, embedded color profiles, and quality levels from highly compressed to nearly lossless. The preferred application for managing the JPE file is XNView MP from EXIF. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows can reveal the final image, but underlying detail work needs an image editor. Let's proceed with the compatibility verification. Right-click the JPE file and select Open With. Test XNView MP if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the JPE format's nuances differently. If your JPE file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, opening an image viewer. Open JPE files in any image viewer, including Windows Photos, Apple Preview, or third-party applications like EXIF and XNView. Most operating systems recognize JPE as a JPEG variant displaying images correctly, without requiring special configuration or file extension changes. Next, renaming for compatibility. If software fails to recognize JPE files, rename the extension to JPG or JPEG, which have wider application support. The underlying file format is identical, so renaming requires no actual conversion, enabling compatibility with applications that strictly check file extensions. Finally, editing in image software. Open JPE files in image editors like Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, or Affinity Photo for editing. These applications treat JPE files identically to standard JPEG files, providing full editing capabilities including filters, adjustments, and compositing, while preserving compatibility with JPEG quality settings during save operations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.